Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends, and we are cooking another HelloFresh meal. We are making shrimp and zucchini linguine with dill cream sauce. Another 25 minutes meal, my friends. Let's get started. This is what we're making. 25 minutes meal, my friends. Let's see what's in the bag. We got some zucchini. We got some cream. We have some dill. We have some linguine. 2 packages of linguine actually. Yep. Some peas. Ooh, some onions already chopped up. Love it. Love it. This is food prep 101, I swear, guys. Ooh, and some puree garlic. Love this too. Got some of that. Got some vegetable broth. More broth, and then we have Dijon mustard. And the bag is empty. And then I have my Pacific white shrimp. It's frozen, my friends, so I'm just going to rinse it, thaw it out a little bit, and then we're on a roll. I got my water on the stove, setting to boil, and so let's carry on. So we're just going to prepare the zucchini. I'm just going to cut off the ends. Cut the zucchini in half. And then I'm going to cut it in half moons, right? I'm not going to cut them too thick because you don't want them too thick. I think this is good. Before I started my HelloFresh subscription, the zucchini wasn't a vegetable that I would ever pick up from the supermarket. And since HelloFresh, quite a few of their meals have zucchini as one of the vegetables in it. And I'm enjoying zucchini. I really am enjoying zucchini now. I've always liked zucchini breads, you know, or zucchini loaf. But zucchini as a side dish, like a vegetable, or, you know, a vegetable within a meal, I'm loving it. And that's all because of HelloFresh. Let me know below, do you like zucchini? Because it's one of those vegetables that I've always found bitter if it's not mixed in with sugar and all that other wonderful stuff. But yeah, I'm going to put a link below to some of the HelloFresh for dinner videos that has the zucchini in it. And as I said, I love zucchini now. This is another quick and easy meal, 25 minutes. And again, we're making shrimp and zucchini linguine. So I'm looking forward to it. So then, I got my dill here. I'm just going to rinse it off. Let me open it. I'm going to rinse my dill off before chopping it up. Okay, I'm going to roughly chop this up as well. That smells so good, the dill. Oh my goodness. Oh. I got another board. I need to drain, rinse, and pat dry the shrimps. We're making zucchini and shrimp linguine with a creamy dill sauce. Okay. And this is considered a premium meal. Paper towel. I'm gonna pat this dry. So I'm gonna season up this with black pepper. Oh. I'm gonna put some salt on it. I'm out of Malaysian pink sauce. I'm also going to put some olive oil on it as well. Make sure that's all nicely. Yeah, baby. I did wash the zucchini before I slice it up, my friends. Okay, I'm gonna place this on the cookie sheet. I just switched around the cookie sheets, my friend, because I didn't want this to kind of pile on each other too much, because you want it to boil pretty fast. So I'm going to actually put this in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes on broil. No, before I put this in the oven, I need to season this up as well with salt, pepper, and some olive oil. I already added the seasoning to this already, so I'm just gonna place it on here for it to also go into the oven. Huh? I'm gonna open this pasta. Okay, my friends, the pasta is going into the pot. Oh. My deal fork. Friends, my pot is hot. I'm gonna add some butter. Melt. Okay. Swirl this around. I'm just swirling this around until it melts. Then I'm going to add my chopped onions. Oh my goodness. I love the smell of onions. Oh my goodness. Right. Easy breezy. You can see my alright, I'm gonna also add peas. That's my peas. It's such an easy recipe. My garlic. Okay. Add food. I'm gonna swirl this around. This is pasta water that I've reserved. I'm gonna whisk this up. Put in my Dijon mustard. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Add both creams. Oh, this is nice cream, my friends. Oh, you like that, eh? Both creams in. Yeah, baby. This broth. And this is the vegetable broth, right? And in that. Okay. So we're gonna grab half of my dill and put it in here. Okay, I turn off the stove, my friends. I'm going to add in my zucchini. There are my shrimp, my friends. I'm going to add this to the sauce. The thing with shrimp, it takes seconds to cook. It doesn't take long at all, or minutes to cook. And you know, because this is a shrimp meal, I seem to have developed a little bit of sensitivity to shrimp and seafood in a whole. So I have to kind of prepare it myself by taking allergy pills, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I I've taken one a little bit earlier, and so I'm going to be taking another one just before tasting it. I'm going to plate this because I think it's all soaked in there. I'm going to plate it. Here it is, my friends, my shrimp and zucchini linguine. I'm just going to add some dill on it, make it look nice. This is what mine's look like. This is what theirs look like. That still looks good. That looks good. Okay, and then I'm going to taste it. Mmm. Nice and creamy. Mmm. Nice, nice, nice. Easy 25 minutes meal. It has nice dill on top. Nice, nice, nice meal. Simple. And it's delicious, my friends. Thank you for watching, my friends. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time and I deserve something better. Thank you for watching.